Jadda from Jadda's Craft Cottage. Instead of a craft, I'm going to show you how to play in 8 sessions American Mahjong. Mahjong is a fun game to play, but it can be difficult and frustrating at first. While learning the game during these sessions, I will show you how to play the game without it being overwhelming. I've been playing American Mahjong for over 40 years, and I've been teaching American Mahjong for several years. You will need to acquire an American Mahjong set. It is different than the Chinese set. I'll give you a link in the description for Mahjong sets that you can purchase at Amazon. You will also need a current Mahjong card that you can get from the National Mahjong League. They have it in a small print and a larger print, which is what I usually get. Please do not purchase a card from Amazon due to some of these may look like they're the card and may be cheaper, but we have found that they are fake cards, with the outside looking like what they are supposed to, but using either last year's card or another made-up card in place of it. When you purchase the card from National Mahjong League, you'll be able to play the game anywhere in the US. They change the card every year, and you can order it starting in January. When you order the new card, it will be delivered the first week in April. There are 3 different suits, 1 through 9 in each one of the suits, and there are 4 tiles of each number. We have the dots or circles, the characters or cracks, the bamboos or bams. The number 1 tile is a bird. There are dragons. We have green dragons that go with the bams because there's a lot of green in that. We have the red dragons that go with the cracks, and you can see there's a lot of red in there. And we've got the white dragons, and some people call that soap, and they go with the dots. They look like a bar of soap. Dots look like bubbles. We have winds. There's a north wind, an east wind, a west wind, and a south wind. There are 4 tiles in each one of these. They spell out news, and in some of the hands you will see the word news in it. There are 8 flowers and 8 jokers in the game. When you purchase your Mahjong set, you'll get extra flowers and extra jokers with some blank. Some flowers may not look like a flower. They may have a boat on it. If it's not a bird, then it's a flower. This is a hand that is on the card. It has 2 flowers, a pair of 1s, a pung, which is 3 of 2s, a kong of 3s, or a group of 3 of red dragons, which is a pung. If you don't have all those in your hand, you can use jokers for them. You can use a joker in a pung, which is a group of 3, or a pong, which is a group of 4, or a group of 5, which is a quint. The jokers have taken the place of the 2 cracks here because they needed to have 3 in it, and they've taken the place of the 3 cracks. Also, they've taken the place of the red dragons. You can never use a joker in a pair or a single. In our next session, you will learn how to identify the tiles to go with the card. If you have not received your card yet and you have a friend that already plays, you can use a card from a previous year. The hands are slightly different, but you'll be able to understand the concept. We'll see you next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just another day for crafting or playing a game.